Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville and we're going to give you a tour of the Sovereign Mandeville location. Now this is the newest plaza in Mandeville and I think it's I can't remember the exact address, but it's where the theater used to be in Mandeville and also the Shoppers Fair. The structure that was here was totally demolished and this new structure put up, which is the way to go. Now, something I've noticed about these new plazas, they're not fully booked out. Now, I don't know if it is because of online shipping and how easy it is to order stuff and bring them in, or if it's a duty concession that you get where you can bring in $100 without paying any duty. Sorry, you can bring in goods valued up to $100 without paying any duty. But I've noticed that so many new plazas are not fully leased out. Like they have space in these plazas. This is a new Progressive Foods. Progressive Foods is a part of Shoppers Fair. They just built back the supermarket but call this one Progressive Foods. Now this plaza is at a good location. It has the food stores and it has the supermarket. Now there are stores in the plaza, don't get me wrong. They have quite a few stores in there. We went in to make a video of the inside, but the security said we're not allowed to make videos inside. Not sure why, but we'll just work with it. But it's not fully booked out. Now if you go to certain plazas, traditional plazas that have been around for a long time, they're fully booked out. I should say leased out or rented out. But these new plazas that are being built, this one, you have Millennium Mall. Oh Lord, that one is people don't like when I call it an epic failure, but 90% of, or I would say about 85% of that mall is empty. The one in Spanish Town that was just built, New Brunswick Village, a lot of empty space there. And there's another one. Name just slipped me now, but guys, what do you notice about the new plazas that are being built and a lot of empty space in them? Alright, let us know what you think. On the left, we just passed the Wendy's and the Domino's. And they also have food stores inside the mall as well. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And let us know what you think about these new plazas being built that are just not fully occupied. Alright guys, have a good day.